Hi guys, my name is Perfect Stolen, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Starlink kit online. So let us get started. So guys, for you to be able to purchase the kit from the website, you must have either a Visa card or a Mastercard that is working. So if you click the link that I've put in the description and the top comment, you get 1 month of free service, which is 1 month of free internet after activation. So if you click that link, it will send you to Starlink's official website. So for example purposes, I've already copied the link, so I'm going to paste it here. And if you're using a phone, you'll see that the interface will look a little bit different because I'm using a laptop, but the process is just the same. So let's say you are at your home and you want to buy the kit and use it there. You click where there's a circle here and the target sign, so that way you allow Starlink pinpoint your exact coordinates. But let's say you are somewhere else. Let's say you are at work and you want to buy the kit whilst you're at work and use it at your home. So what you do is you just type in your home address here. So for example purposes, I'm going to let Starlink pinpoint my exact location, and this is my location here. And after it detects your location, you have to click get started. And on this window, you will see that there's a mini kit, and the mini kit is found on two categories: mini kit installments and mini kit one-time payment. And there's a standard kit as well. So on mini kit installments, you pay $43 upfront, and you'll be paying $15 a month for 12 months. So uh, these installments are payable over 12 months. And on one-time payment for the mini kit, it costs $200 plus $23 for the shipping, so it's 223 in total. And the standard kit, at this time of recording this video, it's costing 389 plus 23, which is $412. So here you have to choose the kit of your choice, either the mini kit or installments, the mini kit one-time payment, or the standard kit. So let's say I want the standard kit, and you have to go where it says service here. So you have to choose between residential and the residential light. The residential offers higher speeds than residential light. So the residential, it is going for $50 a month, and the residential light is $30 a month. So you have to choose the service of your choice. This is the subscription packages. Let's say I want the residential light, and click residential light. If you want accessories, the mounts and the routers, you just choose from this list, but I'm not gonna show you that. um, and you have to come here where it says total due today, and click an arrow if you're using a laptop. um, and you see it says recurring monthly payment. If you have chosen the residential, it will show you $50 here, but I have selected the residential light, so it's $30 a month, plus this regulatory fee, which is $5 a month. So um it's $35 a month in total for the subscription for the residential light. And just below the checkout button, you see there's a green check mark and it says referral code applied. So this will show if you click the link that I've put in the description. So guys, let us take a quick break from this tutorial. So if you are someone who's not patient enough to wait for 2 to 3 weeks for your kit to be delivered, if you want your kit instantly, I've got the mini kit which is going for 290, and for this the installation is $50, and accessories which are $20. So on fix and supply, this goes for $360. And the standard kit Gen 3 version 4, the kit costs $430, plus the installation is $60, and the accessories are $50. On the accessories, there's a pole, the pole adapter, the anchor bolts, and cable clips, cable ties, and so forth. So if you're interested, contact me on 0771 341 079, and I can do a perfect job and a professional installation for you. Back to the video. And you have to, after this, you have to click checkout. And after clicking checkout, we'll see where it says contact information. So now you have to put your contact information. For example purposes, uh, I'm going to just put a random email address, and first name, when I name it Luke, and last name Pip, and then the phone number. And mm, so on the first window, if you have typed your address, you see something like this. So you see something like this. So it says shipping address 1, shipping address 2. So here you have to put your address. This is where the kit is going to be delivered to. So if you're in rural areas, you have to type in your village address, and you have to go down here where it says city. You have to type in the city, your city. And if you're in villages, we just type in the nearest town here. And where it says state or province, we have to type in your province. Myself, I'm in Mashonaland West, so it says Mashonaland West province. And as for the country, it automatically selects your country, and you have to click shipping address. And guys, you have to know that this link for getting 1 month of free service, it only works if you're in Zimbabwe. If you're outside Zimbabwe, it won't work. But you have to do the same processes. Process is just the same. So now you have to put your payment information now. So you have to come here where it says name as it appears on the card number, expiry date, and the CVC number. If you don't have one, if you don't have the Visa card or Mastercard, please check the link that is uh, in the description and the top comment as well. And you can even check it up here. I put the video where I teach how to generate Ecocash Virtual Mastercard. So that option, it only works if you are in Zimbabwe. So after you have put your payment information here, you have to go where it says place order. So I'm not gonna proceed with this process because I'm not going to order the kit. I've already ordered mine and I'm really enjoying Starlink speeds. And you have to know that, guys, these kits are being delivered nowadays, are being delivered between 2 to 3 weeks. So it depends on the day that you have placed your order, your order, and it depends again um, on your location. Because sometimes it takes less than 7 days. Sometimes it takes between 2 to 3 weeks. So if you click place order, it will take you to the next window where you have to put an OTP. So this OTP is a one-time password. So your bank, um, if you're using Ecocash, um, it will send you a message with an OTP. That code you have to copy it and paste it uh, on the next window. So your bank wants to know if you are the one who's trying to make a purchase. So after you copied that OTP, you have to paste it and click confirm. So that way the payment will go through, and you receive you receive a text message from your bank if you're using a bank, or if you're using Ecocash, you receive a text message from Ecocash that you have paid some money to Starlink. And that's how, guys, you order the kit online. And after you have confirmed um, the payment, um, you'll see where you have to put to create a password. So you have to create a password for your Starlink account. So it will automatically use the email address that you have put on the contact information section here. So you have to make sure that the email address that you have entered on the contact information here, on the contact information section, it's working. So on that password, it must be 12 characters, including numbers, letters, and symbols. And after you have created your password, the process is done. And what you do is you have to just wait for your kit to be delivered. So here in Zimbabwe, Starlink uses DHL. So you will receive a call from DHL if your kit has arrived. So you have to go there with your ID and collect the kit. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.